So this is the Grove Park Inn, the absolute best free thing to do while you are in Asheville. I mean, unbelievable. The fireplaces alone are worth the trip. It's the best view of downtown Asheville that you're probably going to get to see. Unbelievable. This is how people here argue over drinks. Look at the look on their face. But there's still that great view out there. When the Grove Park Inn was built in 1913, it was the #1 resort on the earth. And right down there under the ground is a $44 million spa. The day passes are like $90, totally worth it. But if you want to see the best sunset, let me show you where to see it from. So this is the terrace with the view that you'll notice, but that's not where you see the best sunset. You're going to walk back through the lobby of the hotel. And you're going to go out and you're going to sit in one of these seats right here. And most people don't know that. And you're going to actually get to see the sun setting with the colors in the sky. Lots of conspiracy theories about this place. One is that there's portals to other dimensions in these fireplaces. Also, this property was seized by the U.S. government during World War II. And political dignitaries from all over the world were housed right here. Wonder why that was. Odd. It's haunted by the Pink Lady and many other ghosts. And I've ate food all over the world and some of the best food all over the world. And my favorite meal is right here at the Grove Park Inn. It's the Blue Ridge Buffet. Absolutely unbelievable. So when you're in Asheville, come up here. You can park for free for 3 hours. Come and enjoy everything here for free, except the food and drinks. Take a tour of the place. Walk around.